Have you always wondered if it's possible to make money online? What if all the hype was true, that you could actually do it and be trained to do it today? Now I'm sure you have watched other videos or YouTube channels. But imagine if it actually worked this time. You would be able to work from home, have your own schedule, more freedom to earn at your own time, ability to earn as much or less as you want. Sounds pretty awesome, right? You can also do this on your phone or your laptop, as long as you have a connection to the internet. Well, there are many different paths you can take to start this journey of trying to make money online. It requires some work on your part, but the hardest part is starting. Once you start to learn how to do it, you won't ever go back. Today I will show you an easy way to get your feet wet into learning one of the ways you could start to make money online. You won't need any experience and can be trained for free. I will go over 2 different websites for you that will pay you daily. They have paid out over millions of dollars to others doing the same thing. The best part, you will be able to do this anywhere around the world, and you can get started today for free. First, you will need to hone in on a certain skill. Some will be better than others at the start, but in the end, anyone who decides to go this route will be trained to earn money online. First step is we need to test your current skills and how we can make them more efficient. Head over to typingtest.com. Here you will find out how fast you can currently type. The reason to know is because the faster you can type, the more money you can make. On this website, you will test yourself by simply taking this 1-minute test. Now you will want to check out the free typing courses where they will help you double your typing speed, which will help you double your income. Be sure to train yourself here and use this free resource to your advantage. Now, before I show you the 2 websites that will allow you have the freedom of working at home and making money online, don't forget to like this video to support the channel for free and subscribe to the channel. Also type yes or no if you agree on this money-making affirmation. There are no limits to what I can and will achieve. Now that you know how to train and become a beast at typing, it's time to learn how this new skill will earn you some easy money. There is 2 different sites that you will be able to join. The first one is called rev.com. This website makes money by charging people for audio and video transcription. This is where you come in. They need people to actually do the transcribing and willing to pay you per audio minute. This site is trusted by 750,000 happy customers and by other large companies. You will become a freelancer by scrolling all the way to the bottom and clicking the Become a Freelancer. Here you will create an account and enter your information. You can do this from anywhere in the world. You will be able to create a flexible schedule, choose your own jobs, and get paid weekly via PayPal. They pay on time and are very reliable. You can become a transcriptionist, which pays $0.301.10 per minute, and a captioner, which pays $0.541.10 per minute. You can get started in 3 easy steps. First, they will require you to take a quiz to make sure you are qualified, which you did early on typingtest.com. Submit a sample to make sure it meets their expectations. Then if they approve you, you will be able to select jobs right away and start earning easy money. A bonus, if you happen to know a foreign language, you can earn even more, nearly double the money. So start today by scrolling down below to sign up to be a Rev freelancer. Now, just in case you don't get accepted to this website or even want more options, another website is transcribeme.com. They are similar to Rev, so if you have more time to earn money, this is another great option to expand your opportunities. Simply click the Jobs button to get started. Here you will be able to monetize your downtime. They have the highest pay, expert training, ability to grow and learn, and flexibility. To join their team, hit the Get Started button. Simple, enter your information, and once approved, you will have another spot, earn more money. There it is, another idea for you to earn money on the side and to gain more freedom in your life. To keep making more free videos like this, be sure to like the video to support the channel and subscribe today. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out my other videos on the channel.